Hi everybody, welcome to the Resin and More YouTube page. Subscribe, like our page. We're also on Facebook and Instagram if you want to learn more about us, and we have a web page as well. But we're going to do our unboxing for the September month. Every month we have different things in our boxes, and here we are to show you what we got. So this will be sealed on your box. And we open it up, all kinds of good stuff, you guys, this month. I have one thing specifically in here that is like my favorite, I'll tell you. So when you open it again, you'll see snap, share, tag. So please, you guys, if you can go on, share with your friends, tag us, post your pictures. We love to see you guys opening up your boxes. We also love to see what you make with your boxes. Join our Facebook pages. We also have a Facebook group, so we love to chat in there and talk to everybody and hear what you guys think. So this is, you'll get the pamphlet for the month, and it'll have our featured suppliers. So we've got our salt scrub, that's from Island Micas and More. We have our resin this month, which is the Puduo, and our glitter, our beautiful glitter this month, is from Paradise Glitter. We got two colors. One is the pink ruffle, and two is rubra. We also have alcohol inks that are Jaquard. And then we also, on the bottom, you can see if you want to be a supplier, we've got a place for you to reach out to us and let us know. On the back, we're telling you a little bit about our box, and this month in particular, we were kind of making this box about PCOS and breast cancer awareness. If you don't know what PCOS is, it's something that affects many women, leading cause of infertility, but it affects our, the owners of Resin and More very personally. So it was just important to us to kind of reach out. So we did teal and pink for the colors this month, so we thought that was kind of fun. We also give tips and tricks every month to kind of to help you with resin and stuff, and you can see to follow our YouTube channel for tutorials and unboxing, so you can read through here. We also this month put in a little sheet on how to properly mix your resin. So if you're new to using resin, do not be afraid. First of all, we've got the groups. We love to help and reach, we love to help people that want to reach out to us on the page and ask for questions. But we give you this little nice tip sheet. So if you've never used resin, do not be scared. We're here to help, and we kind of give you the nice instructions. All right, now for the fun stuff in the box. So first of all, we have the two-part epoxy, which is Puduo this month. So you have part B and part A, 2 ounces of each. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. We've got our 2 molds. So like I said, we wanted to go with the PCOS awareness in the breast cancer. So we've got the ribbon, really pretty ribbon. And we've got the butterfly mold. So cute, you guys. These are adorable. And you can see they're kind of a nice size, so they could be like a keychain or whatever it is you want to make with them. Ornaments, maybe, anything. And then you're going to everybody gets different colored micas for the month. So these pretty micas, this one is red brown and jade green. Everybody gets 2 different colors. This one, so this is like a really cool little silicone pen. If you've never used these or never seen them, I personally like them to help like when you want to drizzle your resin in like thin lines if you're trying to make something. That's what I like these for. But what's really great about these is because the ends are silicone, so when you let the epoxy dry, you just kind of peel it right off and you have a brand new pen again. So these are really nice little helpful tools. We just thought you guys might like to help achieve some different looks that you like, or just to help you with creating your resin pieces. And then the alcohol inks. We've got the pink and we've got the white that you need. So the white's always important too to help with to sync the colors in there. And we've got the Island Micas and More scrub. This month she made us a special one, pink, for our box. Like I said, pink and the teal and pink were the colors for PCOS and breast cancer awareness. So this one's really, really nice, guys. It's pina colada. It smells very good, and this is perfect for when you make a mess with the resin and you got some on your hands, whatever it is. This stuff is great for getting that off. Okay, my favorite thing in this box. Are you guys ready for this? Rose gold flakes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's my favorite thing. It's so pretty. I cannot wait for you guys to use this in your pieces. I want to see it so much. So please share with us. We gave you 1 gram in here. So this is so pretty. You guys are going to have fun. You also get a little stir stick, again teal. Little nice stir stick, silicone again, so you can just wait for the resin to dry, peel it right off, and you're good as new. Some mixing cups for you. And then your little, you got your business card, and you get a scratch off in here as well. And a ticket, you guys. We're gonna do the raffle, I believe, in the middle of September sometime, so stay tuned. Check out our pages to see if you bought a box already. Check your tickets to see we'll be giving away a free box. And look at this beautiful glitter. Oh my goodness. Pink ruffle and rubra. It is so pretty, you guys. It's hard to see because this, but oh, it's gorgeous. Again, teal, and then the pink is like a chunky, kind of has like this opal iridescent look. It's gorgeous. All right, well, that is our September box. We cannot wait to see what you guys make. So make sure you subscribe, go check out our Facebook channel, and we will hear from you guys soon. Bye-bye.